Hey, Dallas Brar here with Century 21 Coastal. So the federal government launches a mortgage refinancing program to boost secondary suites and ease the housing crunch. The federal government is rolling out another set of mortgage changes aimed at addressing the housing shortage, this time focusing on supporting the construction of secondary suites. So starting January 15th, 2025, Canadians will be able to access up to 90% of their home's value through default-insured mortgage refinancing to build secondary suites. This new program marks a revival of a similar initiative that was discontinued in 2016, when the federal government tightened mortgage insurance rules to cool the overheated housing market. The reintroduction of this option is part of a broader effort to address the current housing shortage and affordability crisis by increasing the rental supply in high-demand areas while helping homeowners offset their mortgage costs. Now, some of the key details of the refinancing program. Number one, maximum loan to value, also known as the LTV. The LTV ratio can be up to 90% of the as improved property value, with the total property value capped at $2 million. Number two, amortization period. The maximum amortization for this refinance is 30 years, allowing borrowers to spread payments over a longer term. Number three, number of units. Homeowners can add up to 4 units on their property, including the existing one. Number four, self-contained units. Each secondary suite must be a fully self-contained unit, meaning it has separate living facilities such as private entrance, kitchen, and bathroom. This ensures compliance with municipal zoning requirements. Number five, no short-term rentals. The additional units must be long-term rentals and cannot be used for short-term rental purposes, for example, Airbnb. Now, to make sense of all this, I have brought mortgage expert Alex Kotay of Your Mortgage Source to explain the new changes coming up. Let's go talk to Alex in his office.
How's my hair? Good, okay. All right, so I'm here with Alex Kotay.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you doing? It is Alex, right? Not Alexis?
It's Alex.
Alex, yeah. I remember your parents, when we grew up, they used to call you Alexis or something, right?
Something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
Many names.
I love talking to your parents when they were younger, man.
Trash me all day, right?
Alex, we're here to do a video, okay? Come on. All right, so I'm here with Alex Kotay, not Alexis, of Your Mortgage Source, to bring some clarity actually to this new mortgage rules, right? So let us know what's going on.
Yeah, so you've heard about the refinances going up to 90%, right? It's going to be on insured deals.
Right.
So previously you could only finance 80% of your home. So if you had $1 million home, you could refi it to $800,000. Okay?
So if it's insured, so just so we have an explanation, what does it mean to have insured versus uninsured?
Insured, you pay an insurance fee on your mortgage, like you've heard of CMHC insurance.
Yeah.
You pay that insurance fee to be able to have a smaller down payment.
Okay.
So like you could buy a home for, let's say, $1 million, put $75,000 down.
Right.
And that would be an insured mortgage. You pay an insurance fee on that. Okay. Now, conventional mortgage is 20% down. So you put on $1 million home, you put $200 down, you get $800,000 mortgage, no insurance fee.
Ah, okay, I got you. Okay.
Yeah. So up until now, you could buy a home and get an insured mortgage, so a smaller down payment, pay an insurance fee, but you could not refinance that home.
Right.
You'd have to have 20% or more equity to get access to the refinance.
Okay.
So now the government has said, hey, we need more units in this country, more housing units. So they're going to allow us to borrow up to 90% of the value of our home on a refinance.
On a refinance. So on $1 million, that's $900,000
now. Yeah, you could refinance up to $900,000 to put in secondary suites, secondary units for people to live in.
Okay. So that's like getting an extra 100 out of the house.
And it's going to be 90% of the improved value. So let's say you got a home worth $1 million,
right?
And you owe 800. Today's rules, you can't borrow more money. You're tapped out at 800,000. Okay. But let's say you want to put a suite in, or a carriage home, or take your garage and make it a suite.
Okay.
And let's say that $1 million home is now going to be worth $1.1 million once you do that. Okay. So now you could potentially have $1.1 million home.
Right.
Okay. And they're saying you could borrow 90% of that to put in that suite or put in that carriage home.
So you get more, actually.
Yeah. So $1.1 million, 90% of that is $990.
Right.
Okay. So now you can borrow $990, get a suite in your home, or 2 suites. You can have up to 4 actually.
Okay.
4 units.
Yep.
And pay the insurance fee, but now you got the rental income from that.
Oh, fantastic. Okay.
So it's good.
Yeah. Are there rules that are based around that? I think I read somewhere like the Airbnb, you can't do like Airbnb.
Yeah. It's good.
Right?
It's got to be for long-term rentals. They're trying to get people in homes
right.
permanently so they have places to live in, right? Versus, okay, short-term rentals for a week or a weekend or whatever. They don't want
like
that.
people coming in, tourists coming into town, and they take
There's enough
space.
of that already.
Right.
They need long-term homes for people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So 90%, and you got to be living in the home. So you can't. It can't be a rental.
Okay.
It's got to be a home where you're living in already, and you're having tenants come in and live off of you. So.
I see. Okay. So if somebody wants to take advantage of this, they can basically call you.
Yeah,
and
you can call and we can run the numbers and see what the numbers look like.
Is it called like a refinance, like of the house? That's kind of what you're doing, right?
So refinance and like what do you qualify for with your income and your rental income?
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, fantastic. Okay. Yeah. So if any of you people who are watching this right now, if you want to do a refinance or you want to take advantage of these rules, I believe it starts in January. Is that correct? It's not right now. So once the announcement comes out, if you guys are looking for a mortgage broker,
give me a call. 604-557-3461.
Awesome. Thanks again here for watching the video. Please subscribe and like. If you have any questions, anything like that, give me a call. My number's right there. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.